comes the train. 4449's on the point. Now that's impressive.
Okay, folks, this is Richville. We'll be stopping here for lunch.
Wow, look at the crowd.
You think these people never saw a train before? Well, the 4449 never run over this track before. The last they do it. Did you see the crowd on the bridge at Marshall? Yeah, and we sure put on a show for them. Hope their cameras are ready. Okay, Jack, let's get ready to take on Providence Hill. Yep, we'll be working hard on that grade. All aboard, folks. All aboard. Train leaves in 5 minutes. Well, that sounds like back to work for us. We got a clear signal. Ready to go? Yep, plenty of steam. Okay, let's go. Hope those guys in the diesel can keep up.